Hi, I'm Kavita Ralhan. In this video, I will be talking about Dyson V8 Absolute Plus vacuum cleaner. It's a cordless vacuum cleaner which looks really nice and it has a suction power of 115 air watts. I'm going to discuss in detail about this product, so let's get started. Dyson V8 Absolute Plus has great looks and is lightweight. It weighs around 2.5 kgs and at one go you can use it around 40 minutes. Now it comes with two filters which are super easy to open and to clean. This is one filter, you can clean it with soap and water, and here is the other filter. And after you clean it, you must make sure that they are dried fully before you start using it. Now when you want to clean everything that has been collected in the cleaning bin, it's very simple. You just have to pull this button and this gets open. You can empty this into the trash. You don't even have to touch the dirt and the dust that has been collected. Now the various attachments that come along with this Dyson V8 Absolute Plus are very simple to understand. Now these are the two brushes. You can use these brushes to clean your electronics, to clean your TV, to clean your kitchen cabinets and everything. This attachment is particularly for the mattresses or the sofa or the bed. If you want to clean it, you can use this attachment. Now this is the crevice tool. There are many areas in the car or in the sofa or in the bed where the crevices are there, your hand does not reach. So this attachment can be used in those areas where it is impossible to reach with the hand. This one is again for your mattress, for your sofa, and it has a flat surface, so everything gets collected into this brush. There is one very interesting attachment that comes with V8 Absolute Plus up top adapter. This is the 90-degree attachment. There are many areas like behind the TV where you cannot reach your hand. So this 90-degree attachment helps you clean those areas. This is for the main carpet, the hard carpet. So you can clean your hard carpets with this attachment, and for the soft carpets you can use this attachment. There is also the adapter that comes along. You have to charge it for 3.5 hours at one go and then you can use it for 40 minutes at a stretch. There is also this extension rod that comes. You can use this attachment also. There is a wall mount, so you don't have to think about where you have to keep this Dyson V8 Absolute Plus. You can easily wall mount it. Dyson V8 Absolute Plus is super easy to use and super easy to clean also. Whether you want to clean your house or you want to clean your car, whether you want to clean your drawing room or bedroom, this one works perfect. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Stay tuned in for more.